Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll use laws of exponents to simplify exponential expressions. Let's start with the first expression, 6x to the power negative 2 y to the power negative 3 over 2x squared times y to the power negative 1 with the outer exponent negative 2. The first step is to simplify the terms in the parentheses. We have a fraction in the parentheses. We can simplify this fraction by reducing the terms in the numerator and denominator. We can divide the coefficients 6 and 2 and combine the x and y terms. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. We can combine the x terms using the division law of exponents. They have the same base x, so we can subtract the exponents. We can do the same for y terms. Next, we can simplify the exponents. Negative 2 minus 2 is equal to negative 4. Negative 3 minus negative 1 is equivalent to negative 3 plus 1, which is equal to negative 2. Next, we should make the exponents on x and y positive by moving x and y terms to the denominator. This is a very important step we need to understand and memorize to solve this type of problem. Now we can make the outer exponent negative 2 positive. We can change it to positive 2 by flipping the fraction. This is another important step we need to understand and memorize. Next, we can apply the outer exponent 2 to x, y, and 3 in the fraction. Next, we have to use power on power law of exponents to simplify these terms. For x, we should multiply the exponents 4 and 2. For y, we should multiply the exponents 2 and 2. And 3 squared is equal to 9. This should be the final answer for the first expression. Now we can simplify the second given expression. Negative 2x to the power negative 2y times 5x to the power negative 3 times y squared over 4x squared times y to the power negative 3. This expression is in the form of a fraction. In the numerator, we have to multiply these two expressions. We can do that by multiplying their coefficients negative 2 and 5 and combining the x and y terms. Negative 2 times 5 is equal to negative 10. We can combine the x terms using the product law of exponents. They have the same base x, so we should add the exponents. We can do the same for y. The exponent on y is 1. There is an invisible 1 as the exponent. So for y, we should add the exponents 1 and 2. We should keep the denominator expression as it is. Next, we should add the exponents on x and y in the numerator. Negative 2 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. Next, we should simplify the terms in this fraction. We can reduce the coefficients negative 10 and 4 and combine the x and y terms. Both 10 and 4 are divisible by 2. We can combine the x terms using the division law of exponents. We should subtract the exponents. We can do the same for y terms. Next, we should combine the numbers in the exponents. Negative 5 minus 2 is equal to negative 7. 3 minus negative 3 is equal to 6, because 3 minus negative 3 is equivalent to 3 plus 3. The final answer should not have a negative exponent, so we should move the x term to the denominator, because that will change the exponent negative 7 to positive 7. This should be the final answer for the simplified form of the second given expression. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to simplify expressions like these. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.